workout with my brother, Michael Castillo, and my coach. We ended up hitting chest and triceps today, and we finished it off with some abs. Right now we're on our way to get our post-workout meal. And here's some clips from today's workout while you're waiting for our post-workout meal. Get ready, it's epic. This is just a quick little layout of what our workout consisted of today. These first few clips are just of us warming up. We ended up doing 2 warm-up sets on incline bench just to get our chest warm. After we finished warming up, we went ahead and started our actual workout routine, and we started that off with 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps on incline bench. My brother-in-law went ahead and did 3 sets of 8 with 225. I ended up doing 3 sets with 185. I think I did 10 reps, and I finished off my incline bench with a set of 205 for 5 reps. So after we got finished with incline bench, we went ahead and jumped on some dumbbell bench press. We ended up doing that for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. After we finished dumbbell bench press, we went ahead and moved on to the fly machine. We ended up doing that for 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps.
Don't wanna be sly and defile you. Mind and rely on you. I just wanna break this crown, but it's hard when I'm so run down. And you're so cynical, narcissistic cannibal. Got to bring myself back from the
finished our chest workout off with some decline hammer strength machine, and we did that for 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps.
Pushing on, I can't escape. Everything that comes my way is haunting me, taking its sweet time.
Our first tricep exercise was tricep pushdowns, or the dip machine, you can call it.
There are just too many times that people have tried to look inside of me.
On tricep pushdowns, we did 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps as well.
Afraid to say what I need to say. Too many things that you said about me when I'm not around. You think having the upper hand means you gotta keep putting me down, but I've had too many handoffs with you. It's about as much as I can stand, so I'm waiting until the upper hand is mine. 1 minute you're on top, the next you're not. Watch it drop, making your heart stop just before you hit the floor. 1 minute you're on top, the next you're not. Missed your shot, making your heart stop. You think you won?
As soon as we finished tricep pushdowns, we did 3 sets of cable overhead extensions, which I didn't get filmed, and we did that for 3 sets, 12 to 20 reps. As soon as we finished with that, we ended up going to some tricep cable kickbacks, and we did that for 2 sets, 8 to 12 reps.
It's about as much as I can stand, so I'm waiting until the upper hand is mine. 1 minute you're on top, the next you're not. Watch it drop.
We're here at Chipotle for our post-workout meal. We're at Chipotle for our post-workout meal, and we both got chicken burritos, rice, beans, and water with aspartame for you hippies. Show them where we're at.